confirm Kumasi Asante Kotoko former player Shadrack Addo Kotoko signed in 2022. 2024 not a part of players IMC Jomo Kwan Emo you know. Meno say we joining Atletico Madrid. Yes, officially confirmed. Be the inchichimuni nyina no ebro super no so. Na free enra enumre Friday no Atletico Madrid for no breaking news no. The club obo Trivia Taraves. Tima no obo no. And yes, no a free agent no bo club be lower tier club Spain or Trivia FC4. Na Trivia FC4 na no obo no. Omo ne Atletico Madrid edi nkomo. Atletico Madrid decided say ombepo until the end of the season. Enye permanent deal. Inchechemu ni nyina wa ha, bede Asia ewo fie ha. Obeka bena somwa every Kotoko no na direct to Celta Vigo. We there no. Shadrack had to pass through Trivial FC4 no. Trivial FC Taraves. Na ansana warich Atletico Madrid. Na ifre enrebe nyina uko social media no so a nsema koso so areho Kotoko. One of your biggest problem is got to do with asema making. I say sa chairman we be Kotoko a enam say nipa pipe na asem no nti okwa na nipa de bia kodi na chi na nipa na omudi na chi no edi twa the current chairman na ohoro mpoa. Can you imagine say in centrofo ni bi and supporters ni bi titiri na hagea trem say simohu na ya mponsa player o sign no mo IMC mo buy no mapam no maneko mo pam no maneko no so hu ene okwa Atletico Madrid okwa Atletico Madrid enti okwa Atletico Madrid enti IMC no abon ana in sembi say no it is not healthy for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. If for nothing at all Kotoko IMC e buy no wafa players 54 as we speak and then me review ni nyina be ma 54 na what sign no sign na antena omo call ye na wo so omo kwa na and omo no mu deserve so omo ho ana enti u check balance na utimi ga say IMC no take bad decisions so only obi adwuma na mreso a also okọ enye say okọ ye no na chese nka onko form sa there be okọ ye no also at least okobobo baby a progress in the career. It's say no o progress ya dey time dey be shame Kotoko IMC say IMC buy wa be saki Shadrack. Otu vo na kopo enti ase me din chechemu no any details about this particular move ni nyina ebro. Enye permanent deal. Me pa chopan enye permanent deal. A loan from the Trivial FC, the lower tier club na e work Spain ho no. Omo any release player no to Atletico Madrid. Aha enti ase fie me pa cho unsubscribe ya na wa hit the rest subscribe button no so no wa adoma no so na ya build it together information we ase enya to hope na ye di Asia e wo fie ha me pa cho any date no the date no 10th of 10th of January now we are 10th of January and to vonya kopon ase 10th of January 2026 the year of our Lord. Let's take this message as a light for our path. See, learn to acknowledge if someone do good to you. So obi your papa, acknowledge papa na wa no. Mane hu so wodas. Umane hu express your appreciation. The more you express appreciation, the more the person will do more for you. So obi your papa, and you're right to a privilege. Papa no nko betime aye nipa others be, but all no we decide say obey your papa no. It is a why your papa no. O ni hwe kra no. Fana sedama no. What I say? It is for next time no opobi aye ne papa e wo e na beba utrim say on your papa because when you say wo de your papa you are grateful okay. So no. Let's take this message as a light for our path and then super no. So me pacho join the Kotoko reaction or 0247 10 7260 0247 10 7260 na yendi kasubum ewo Kotoko platform kesiye so mi hu Kotoko platform eso they say all category of Asante Kotoko supporters also senior man for no last man di journey also over 83 years wadi Kotoko echi almost 70 years enyasam keto and all share the experience with Asante Kotoko club no and young guys ni bi also young girls no so bi also yes yenyina no ene ye bo ade mu onti bi join 0247 10 72 60 now mamenko deal no but echina otumfo nyankopon ya do ma Kotoko versus Brekum Chelsea the start of the fixtures again once ye share league na se ne ye ko Brekum e ko wini ye because I game no Albert Eshegu Hamzata air cross this time around there is no Albert Amwa. We have 6 days to close the transfer window. Still now Kotoko air sign striker and as a Kotoko end sign striker. Information I mean say can say to say there abuchi for the day. And a Ghana for no so. So the contracts our club numa on person Kotoko BTS na me crowd me say na no Albert Sika na Albert Amo Sika na buy no yenti bi ne fan top player ne bi ana remember based on information I mean saka and say Albert Sika na no my man so me the better striker na player of free Bernard Elvis adede no I say they will not say fade off because of Kotoko would have to get in touch with team my friend in Niger team no na I don't know prolonging your mind I say almost lose interest in the whole thing because of timelines no 6 days per you are close to transfer window nti sa ya anya thorough checks ama bibia anya complete say indeed assured ye player na mre no kwa na ko nti wan ha be fa bi locally based on information I mean sa e kan no ye fa bi locally a say option no Kobla Junior Port City Division 1 player no striker no ono na say the minim say ono de kan kese ekope 50,000 Ghana cedis bi mo kanetiska 500 million ma mo kra na obetimi no aba sa wanya ne sa nso kra na ebetimi I say omo de ne be ma Kotoko loan because loan me de bi ameka say no getting a player to play for you no it's not necessarily say obetiska akoto no but obetimi ne mother club na negotiate say be loan mama at the end of the season for instance Shadrack Addo deal ya ba obi e ka ho asemi enye permanent deal Atletico Madrid for no nkoto no free trivial for no ho so but loan deal na trivial for no de ama Atletico Madrid so ho de ade na ye no enti bia no negotiation prowess na o say ye enhance your negotiation prowess but what I say it is a strikers ne de e bi wo Ghana ha ye mpe clinical so yinya clinical ebeboa na chese Kotoko nkan kono ehia pa because Sunday game if for nothing at all consider Kotoko ne Brekum Chelsea game no e wo say nka ye new striker ya sign no box a game ni bi they say they me sure say Prince Badu ebenya ne first Premier League start when you start for Kumasi Asante Kotoko it was MTN FA Cup against Game Face but this time around you hope say the Premier League start no obenya ne fully well against Brekum Chelsea otumfo nyankopon ya doma Sunday Baba Sports. I'm told say game no Baba TV no so ntimo amwa broche any ade no bit me a monitor from there. Now on to this particular story. Kotoko I am seeing a buy no my main fab breakdown bi emma wa ha. Yaya Dauni e buy. Yaya Dauni buy, Nana Benyi buy, Fatau Seidu buy. Samba Unel e buy. Yusuf Nuruddin Obai oko Emmanuel Kote ebai odaso ho Samuel Asamoah ebai odaso ho Fuseni Ishak obai oko Anderson Timenu bai odaso ho Che Dwamena ebai oko Baba Yaya ebai Baba Yaya na number in story no the contract on 7 at the end of the season ye be Baba Yaya bai odaso ho Bernard Samoah ebai nti omo kase Kotoko ena na na yamponsan kofa player aba na yapam no Bernard Samoah am seen the fan no 2023 one ayimo Peter Amidu akwamo sa year group for no Bernard Samoah say or Celta Vigo all day in day out. Intisa ene Shadrack Addo joining Atletico Madrid. At the time we betwa IMC no say IMC akopam Shadrack Addo. Mo hwe say Shadrack Addo or Atletico Madrid. But say so better someone or Celta Vigo. Inti minuanom Kotoko supporters any minuanom sensuafo no. Sebi. Aya mumi enjoy sa anwoma no. Emwa it is not healthy. Shadrack Addo a fine development. Yam wish in the world. Me the story na bro pan. So Bernard someone e buy. Say or Celta Vigo. Peter Midwa buy or da so ho. Julius Oforizigi e buy. Julius ko. Kalu Atara buy. Kalu Atara ko. Fatau Safiu e buy. Onu kwari 2 days pen or ko. Abdul Karim Abdurrahman Sudan Nino or buy or ko. Striker. X-Mart buy. Right back or ko. Mohamed Kamara buy or da so ho. Benjamin Chumbai or da so Lord Amwa e buy or da so Patrick Asiedu e buy Patrick Asiedu e da so Joseph Ablo buy Joseph Ablo ko Michael Sifa buy Michael ko Elvis Bafo Awuchi e buy Elvis da so Emmanuel Entry e buy or da so Samuel Tenedu e buy Samuel Tenedu ko Samuel Tenedu information I mean say can say on Brekum Chelsea deal no I have me confirm no this weekend basically yeah someone to do there so someone to do by or call and now Dauda Saka e buy or da so Dauda Saka buy Albert Amwa e buy or call Kwame Puku buy or da so Samson Leduku e buy Samson ko Wisdom Basi Nigeria Nino or buy or call Isaac Minta buy Isaac da so injury ne hano Andre Ajiti e buy Andre Ajiti e buy oko na Aziz Aruna Diary e buy or da so Francis Akwa e buy Francis Akwa da so Shaibu Abubakar e buy or da so Joseph Amwa e buy or da so Zakaria Fuseni da so Hamzata Musa e da so Hilary e buy or da so Hibajo e buy or da so and Johnson upon a buy or da so Philip Amu also a buy or da so Inusa also a buy or da so a wo so and Morphine Donzu also a buy or da so Kosia Sante so ka players a terminate mo contract or buy or co and Prince Adesa also a buy or co Richmond Upoku Dembele a buy or co Walid Fuseni Nema a buy or da so Lord Listo or Henning and so then a buy Lord Listo or Henning and da so a wo and nanu ya so Prince Badu a buy Prince Badu so and da so a wo it is so far 54 players and IMC assign and ipin so echo na ebi mo call e na also mo call enya just because of say ne Shadrack Addo man call 2024 no wako join Atletico Madrid ne join na wa join Atletico Madrid no making kind kakra no the news ne che ne say sa trivial FC for na no owo no lower tie for no and releasing na Atletico Madrid and Atletico Madrid for say omo fa as a loan player until the end of this season 2025-2026 in the event say 5 months here ka no Atletico Kobo which is Yakasa Atletico na enya Atletico main team no but Atletico junior side no and a funny loan into obebo until the end of the season into obo and at the end of the season we na you're very impressive there is option to renew and I said there is option to buy permanently so the situation it's here no it's when ye ade a what's a man for be efa so e di betwa IMC na mpoa say player na mo pam no sisi o Atletico Madrid nanka ya mpam no so agebede no wakọ Atletico Madrid eto de bi asemba na yenya abotere on some of these comments no because at that time bitem bi asemba you look at the time being and you look at the contest so on the mention look at the contest now check the contest now at that time was it appropriate for him to stay or was it appropriate for him to go and holistically it was just for him to go nka wan kona nka nene deal to Atletico Madrid no bi beka san nka wa himfa Shadrack, when you're a bad player or a midfielder, at that time, Kotoko didn't lack so many friends saying good midfielders. That time, now, Munina or Richmond Lamti Munina was packed in the midfield of Kumasi Asante Kotoko. This guy, as he is Kenya, Kuma here, Enoch Morris in Munina, those days, no more packed in the Kotoko midfield. So, competing with them at that stage, wasn't easy. So, the best decision was just to let the player move on. And now, free of course, trivial left in Spain, lower tier division. And I know born in Kakran, and attracted the interest of Atletico Madrid. I mean, because Atletico Madrid for no after as a loan deal till the end of the season. So when you are there, would be Kotoko IMC Mpwa. Ode na na ya mponsa be Kotoko IMC Mpwa say na na ya mponsa e be ye adwuma ne apampam the players. It is non-starter. Asumdwe na ye pe na na ya mponsa e ba ye no waye ne de. IMC buy so IMC air to aso intimi sanko yechi nyumtoni lucky dube ene kan. There is no future in the past, and our penny ba konso asemo kan. There is no better thing in the past. The esi o past nyina no adisua me akakra me hunu wi ase no. There is past ono wi ni hobi mu che wadi mo ko wadim. Think about way forward. There is no future in the past again. Move on. So, it is this whole thing. No, yam fan gogu. Ni a club. No, 3 seasons near Kotoko League. In 2023, the last time I Kotoko League year 2022, 2023 media manager year, 2024 summer test, 2025, and I am go start for J. Into 2026, no, it is time for Kotoko to win the Ghana Premier League. We cannot go 4 seasons without winning a league. It will be a shame to this club, and it will be a very discrediting record for the Nepal. And Yoma, Nechna, even Brekum Chelsea, Yemfanko.